Welcome, I'm Dr. Tom Warren and you're watching The Plant Doctor. What I want to go over today is my 3-step method for growing huge annuals. I've been doing this every year for the past several years and I get great results. So today is April the 15th. This is my go-to day in my zone for we're safe to plant, we're past the frost. I usually get to like April the 10th and I look at the 10-day forecast, and if it's good, we're not in a downtrend, I'll start to put stuff out. But once we get to the 15th, if everything's in the clear in the 10-day, I go full bore and put everything out. So these geraniums, these coleus, we've got some petunias up in the hanging baskets. I actually have some mandevilla as well that I overwintered in my enclosed back patio area. Renewal pruned them. They don't look great right now, but they're putting on new growth and they'll be awesome here in a couple of weeks. But let's talk about fertilizers and other supplements that I'm using on my annuals, in particular in the containers here, to get awesome results. So the first thing I'm going to do, as soon as I plant, I'm going to go over the top with a slow release fertilizer, and I like Osmocote. It's been around forever. I've used it since I was a teenager. I trust it. But any slow release, a 90-day, 180-day prill is what you're after. And this particular Osmocote is vegetable and bedding Osmocote. I'll leave a link down in the description below for all the products that I'm showing you today. So if you just wanted to click and buy and do this, you can. But Osmocote, this is a 90-day prill, so I'm gonna get 90 days of coverage with this. And the directions on this is 3 tablespoons per 4 square feet. And what I found out is Osmocote has a perforated lid, and about 6 shakes of the lid equals about 3 tablespoons. I've been doing this so long, I know kind of what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just gonna kind of knock that off the leaves and let it fall down. And that's it. I'm gonna go around to each pot. They're gonna get 6 or so shakes of Osmocote. That's the first step that we're going to do. The next thing that we're going to do is make sure that we're watering every day. So as soon as I put my Osmocote in, I'm gonna water with the hose today, water each one of these pots. We water our annuals in our pots daily just to keep them moist, because they can dry out very quickly in a pot. On alternating weeks, I do this on Mondays. I'm going to alternate between Miracle-Gro. So I just hook this up to my hose and I water with this. And really what I think that my secret is that I get better results than other people that a lot of people aren't using is BioKelp. So BioKelp actually is not adding a whole lot of nutritional value to the pot itself. This is not loaded with nitrogen, it's not loaded with phosphorus, it's not loaded with potassium, but what it does is it increases the nutrient availability to the plant. We're increasing the cation exchange capacity of the media in the pot. That's just a fancy way of saying we're increasing the amount of nutrients available to the plant over a given amount of time. We measure that in cation exchange capacity. So I'm going to water with BioKelp every other week. So one Monday, I'm going to water with Miracle-Gro. The next Monday, I'm going to water with my BioKelp. And then in between every single day, so Tuesday through Sunday, I'm just watering with straight water. And that's my regimen. Guys, as always, thank you for watching The Plant Doctor, and until next time, happy gardening.